Hello YouTube fam, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a topic that affects many of us, burnout. In this video we'll explore practical strategies and tips to help you overcome burnout, restore balance, and enhance your overall well-being. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Recognize the signs of burnout. The first step towards overcoming burnout is acknowledging and accepting its existence. Familiarize yourself with common signs of burnout, such as chronic exhaustion, lack of motivation, and feelings of cynicism. Understand that burnout is a legitimate condition and that seeking help is essential. Step 2. Assess your current situation. Take time to assess your current situation and identify the factors contributing to your burnout. Reflect on your work-life balance, workload, and personal stressors. This self-reflection will help you pinpoint areas that need attention and allow you to make informed decisions moving forward. If you are enjoying this video so far, give it a thumbs up and join our awesome community by hitting that subscribe button. Step 3. Prioritize self-care and well-being. Make self-care a non-negotiable priority. Dedicate time to activities that bring you joy and relaxation. Establish healthy habits such as regular exercise, sufficient sleep, and a nutritious diet. Remember to set boundaries, both in your personal and professional life, to protect your well-being. Step 4. Seek support and build a network. Don't face burnout alone. Reach out for support. Talk to friends, family, or colleagues who may have experienced similar challenges. Consider seeking professional help from therapists or counselors who specialize in burnout. Building a support network can provide valuable guidance, empathy, and encouragement. Step 5. Reevaluate and set realistic goals. Reevaluate your goals and expectations, both short-term and long-term. Identify any unrealistic expectations you may have placed on yourself. Break down your goals into smaller, achievable steps and celebrate your progress along the way. Remember, it's essential to set realistic goals that align with your values and well-being. Step 6. Establish boundaries and practice mindfulness. Establishing clear boundaries is crucial to prevent burnout from recurring. Learn to say no when necessary and delegate tasks when possible. Practice mindfulness techniques such as meditation or deep breathing exercises to reduce stress and increase self-awareness. These practices can help you manage stress effectively. Step 7. Implement positive changes in your routine. Introduce positive changes into your daily routine. Consider exploring new hobbies, incorporating relaxation techniques into your schedule, or adjusting your work hours. Be open to experimentation and find what works best for you. Small but consistent changes can make a significant difference in overcoming burnout. Congratulations! You've completed our step-by-step guide to overcoming burnout. Remember, recovery takes time, so be patient and kind to yourself throughout the process. By recognizing the signs, prioritizing self-care, seeking support, and making positive changes, you're on the path to regaining your well-being. With persistence and dedication, burnout can be overcome, and you can lead a healthier and more fulfilling life. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the content and found it helpful, please consider liking and subscribing to the Infinity Wisdom channel. Stay tuned for more mind-blowing insights, and until next time, stay enlightened and keep those minds infinitely curious.